Most of you have probably heard about the news here in the Philippines. We were hit by a typhoon over the weekend, and we actually get a lot of typhoons in this country. We average around 19 to 20 typhoons, but this particular typhoon was different. It wasn't particularly strong, around just 65 kilometers per hour near the center, so it wasn't really strong. But it brought a lot of water, a lot of rain with it. Uh, the rain that came was so unprecedented, was so massive, that the rain that usually comes in a month came within just 6 hours. Imagine the amount of water that can cause. And it caused really massive flooding all over Manila and nearby provinces, Bulacan and Laguna. And I was seeing the pictures on TV and on the internet, and the scenes were just absolutely heartbreaking. A lot of people lost their lives. A lot of people, many more people lost their homes. And there are friends of ours we haven't heard of since last Saturday when the rain started. We've been trying to get in touch with them through text, through landline, but we haven't heard from them. And for the most part, uh, the past few days, the places they lived in was rather inaccessible because of the floods, so we really didn't know what happened to them. Some of them have been reporting in through Facebook and Twitter and letting us know what their status is, but there are still a few friends out there we haven't heard from. This is really absolutely unprecedented in recent history of Manila and the Philippines as a whole. And many of you watching probably know that we do get hit by typhoons a lot, but this is different. Um, so I guess we're just asking if you can afford it. There are ways to donate. There are ways to help out if you want to. I'm putting a link on the description box, uh, and I'm putting a link here on this screen so you can know where to go. Your best bet really is the Philippine Red Cross. There is another link where you can see a list of verified sites where you can donate, including PayPal, if PayPal is easy for you. And they don't you don't have to worry about those sites because they are verified as to be authentic. But if you want to be sure, you can just donate at the Red Cross links provided, and we would really appreciate it because this is something that's beyond our experience. So we really don't want we really don't know what to expect in the next few days. But I'm very heartened and I'm very glad to see a lot of Filipinos getting together and to help each other in this time of need. A lot of people are banding together to collect donations, to collect goods and clothes and food and water to those affected areas without even having to wait for any government action. No government, even if they are the most greatest country in the world, the greatest government in the world, will not be prepared for the kind of devastation that this flood. It was something that nobody really expected. Nobody really expected. And I'm glad that a lot of people are chipping in, helping out. And a lot of the reasons why a lot of people are being saved and a lot of people are getting fed and getting to drink and eat and having place to sleep is because of the efforts of a lot of thousands and thousands and thousands of Filipino volunteers. So my heart's hats off to them. My heart goes out to them in support, and I'm doing my part, whatever I can do to help. And you can do your part too if you feel like it, if you're willing to. Please donate. It would come a long way. Thank you.